Can you say I love you? Can you say I'm perfect?
Excuse me? Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. Wow.
Hey, no!
Come on, scaredy cat. You can do it. Yeah. Good job.
Some idiot customer suggestion in the suggestion box. Oh my god, they took my idea.
What are you doing?
Can you, for once in your life, respect my privacy? You better delete that footage.
It's a little flip.
Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Axel, come here. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's cheating on you, bro. Oh! Dude, that's my nipple!
We've been trying to contact.
It's pistachio ice cream.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good.
Can I help you? Can I help you? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What did you do? Are you stuck? High five. Too slow. Oh my god.
Please enjoy this video of my dog eating a lemon.
So every time we hit our water ball, our cat comes charging at it and attacks it. So we did it on purpose this time to see what he would do.
Oh, your whole leg. Oh. What is going on with you? Get
You are toast. You are toast when I say you're toast. When you're toast.
To get those vehicles and get the passengers out of there, or if someone is stranded by water, the National Guard could work coordinated with me.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Cuddling dad. Cuddling mom. Cuddling pizza.
La 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 la.